Hi all. So in this video we're going to see the new flow of subscriptions, and let me tell all you teachers out there that this is an amazing flow in which the student can directly book your available slots in one in a simple flow. So let me just tell you now that availability has become an extremely important thing for subscription. Okay, so let me go to my availability. So I go to my calendar and availability, and as you can see I have marked 6 to 12 as available on Sunday and Saturday, and 6 to 10 on the weekdays, and this is how my availability looks like. So this is a very serious thing, because now what is going to happen with subscription is a student can actually book any slot without my confirmation. So it will be a direct booking in which a student will be able to book myself for 10 months also. So I have to ensure that I at least mark the availability for the next 2 weeks. So this is extremely vital, and I have to be even very sure that if even by chance if I'm not sure I can be available say at this slot, so I don't mark it. Because if the session gets booked, if someone buys my subscription and the session gets booked and I'm not available, that will be treated as a cancellation or a no-show, and that affects our profile and rating. So I mean, we have to be extremely confident about our availability and do it like this. So the same will be available to the student also before he can actually book your slot. So this is how we will educate our current students. So okay, fine. So this is about one thing. I can repeat it for multiple weeks, so I already know that. Now let me take you to this thing, that is my subscriptions. It will actually show me that how many students have actually subscribed to me, and how what is the status of the subscription. So this is 0%, that means no classes happened till now, and this is ended, means the subscription has either ended or manually ended by me. So let me just show you that how this student Ranjan Banerjee out here has taken my subscription of 7th CBSE Maths, which starts from 13th 4 2016. So I'll enter this. Okay, great. So when I enter this, I can see that this student bought 24 hours and has already paid 24 hours at a rate of 450 rupees, and plans to have 3 hours per week for 8 weeks with me. So he's taken a 2-month subscription for me, and obviously each week he's utilizing 3 hours. Let me now see what is happening. So I can see that 22 are scheduled, but 2 are remaining because 2 were conflicts. Because when the student was trying to book, 2 were conflicts with my sessions which were already booked. So actually what I can see is I can look at one of the conflicts which has come as a session request. Others have been booked as sessions. So this is a very important thing, that 22 sessions have already been booked and 2 are conflicts. So what my duty is that I have to resolve this conflict, and I must resolve it before the 13th of April. So I have a conflict on 13th April at 6 p.m. So I can actually go to view details. I can open this session request and I can choose another time. So when I choose another time, I can see this calendar in front of me, and for the 13th I can choose a time when I'm available. So I can choose 5 to 6. I can see that it is available, so I give this time to the student and I say done. So when I do this, so this goes now to the student for his confirmation. So this only happens for conflicts. So I think that's how this whole thing works. And let me also give you a thing about what is this end subscription and when do you do this. So for example, if some student has accidentally subscribed to you or made some mistake, or probably wanted to subscribe you for more hours because that will a little cheaper for the student, in such cases you can always reverse a subscription, but it's a very serious thing. Only do it when both of you are in an agreement to that, and majorly when it makes sense. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching.